Search and replace with tab character in Sublime Text 2. In Sublime Text 2, I want search and replace by the tab character. I tried replacing with \tchar but it's not working. How can I do it?
You can use regular expressions by clicking on this button. The regex for a tab character is \t.
The accepted answer only give half of the answer to the question. If you want to replace comma and insert tab. But to replace the tab text with real tab, you first have to replace tab text with a different character, and then do the tab insert. Step 1/2. Step 2/2.
If you want to support this channel, please consider subscribing.